Good morning, all of you. So, as I already given the introduction of mole concept in our yesterday's class. So, finally, we have been made a conclusion that one mole of atoms or one mole of substance, if you take. So, how many atoms are present? For example, if I have taken one mole of atom means, which is equals to how many atoms? Everybody, 6.022 into 10 power
10 power 23.
power 23 atoms. So now, instead of atoms, if I have taken molecules, if I'll say one mole of molecules means it is also equals to what? 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. So now, if I will say either atoms or molecules or I can say particles, so everything is just equals to Avogadro number. So this is the Avogadro, this number is called as Avogadro number, which is a physical constant whose value is 6.022 into 10 power 23. So this number is only called as Avogadro. So it is the larger, if you take this large, that is even cannot be count in a practical life. So how much large means? So we will take one example also and we'll prove it. So if you take Avogadro number, so this is only called as Avogadro constant, we can say. So we have to remember even 11th and 12th also it will be keep on coming in this chemistry. So how much big it is, even you cannot imagine in our daily life. So for example, if I have taken, we all knows that recently our Earth population crossed how many billions? Anybody? World population. Yes, world.
8 billion, sir.
If I have taken, so it's a recent example, just I am saying. So it is just 1 month before, not just 10 days before, it is crossed how much? 8 billions. Means in the sense of 8 into 10 power 9. Is it right or wrong? Everybody? All of you? I want to respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so that is imagine. Now, let us compare with Avogadro number. How much big Avogadro number you will understand. So, if we'll compare the world population with, compare it with Avogadro's number, so that you will understand our world population is how much small. It is how much a small fraction. Just you can do 8 into 10 power 9 divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23. So, if you do this, then you will find a thing. So, let us divide. So, 10 power 9, 23. This how much it will come? Tell me, everybody. 9 will go, and here how much is remaining? I think 14 is remaining. Is it everybody? Please respond. So now 8 divided by 6.022 approximately if you'll do, you will get 1 by 1.3, okay, into 1 by 1.3 into 10 power 14. So this much will come. So approximately let me take 1 by 1.3 is 1. So 1 by 10 power 4. It is what? Approximately our world population comparing with what? Avogadro number. So have you noticed it? How much small it is just when we are comparing our Earth population with Avogadro number? It is extremely smaller. Is it yes or no? So Avogadro number is such a large value. Even our world population is very, very small fraction of it. Just is a number, a very small fraction compared to Avogadro number. So that is why Avogadro number we will say it is a very big value, which is equals to like always 6.022 into 10 power 23, either atoms or molecules or particles. Hope everybody understand. So now, with the help of this, now before going to study this mole concept, mole of an atom and as well as mole of a molecule. So we need to know something called as GMM. So let us discuss what we mean by this GMM. By this time you might be studied. Anybody can tell me what is a GMM, please? Harish, Mitaksri. So you might be don't know. So GMM means gram molecular mass. So the most important one for the mole concept. So unless you know this, you people cannot solve anything here. So now let us discuss what we mean by this means. So this gram molecular mass, also we can say molar mass. What we used to call guys? Please respond. Molar mass. Okay. Now let us discuss what do you mean by this molar mass. For example, I have given you 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. I have given how much, guys? 1 mole of, please respond. 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. Okay. I have given 1 mole of oxygen molecules. Oxygen molecules. Can you tell me what is the hydrogen atoms means, H or H2? Anyone? Hydrogen atoms. Abhirami? H. Oxygen molecules. Oxygen molecules means what will come, Hari? O2. Okay. So now what do you mean by molar mass? Please observe. This is not even more than your 9th class. Your 9th class only. If you open your book, you will find this one. So molar mass. Molar mass means, observe, if I will give 1 mole of any substance, maybe it is atoms or molecules or particles, definitely it has some mass. Is it yes or no? Open your mouth. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that mass is only called as molar mass. Understand everyone? So the mass of 1 mole of any substance, the mass of 1 mole of any substance is called molar mass. Clear, all of you? The 1 mole of any substance, mass of 1 mole of any substance is only called as molar mass. So, if you remember, when you write the same molar mass, all of you, what do you mean by molar mass? What is another name of molar mass? I said, all of you, gram molecular mass, GMM. Sir, what is that? Very simple. Observe. We all know atomic mass or molecular mass. What is the unit of atomic mass or molecular mass? How will represent? Anyone? Please respond.
U.
Yes, U or AMU. Is it yes or no? So please remember, if we write gram in place of AMU or U, then that is only called as, then this mass is called GMM. What is the GMM means? Everyone? Gram molecular mass. So I'm not doing anything. I'm finding the atomic mass or molecular mass. So instead of AMU or U, I'm replacing with what, guys? I'm replacing with the gram. That's all I'm doing. I'm not doing any other thing new. Is it okay, everyone? Nimish, Arun Kailash? That is what you have to remember. Now, for example, let us find molecular, what is the molar mass of or gram molecular mass of ammonia? Molecular mass. First, let me find molecular mass. So, molecular mass of ammonia. Tell me fastly, molecular mass of ammonia. What is the formula of ammonia? Everyone? Ammonia. NH. So now, what is the molecular mass of formula? All of you should tell. Molecular mass formula. What I taught you the formula? Number of atoms of first element. Atomic mass of first element. That formula should come in our mind. Number of atoms of first element into atomic mass of first element plus number of atoms of second element into atomic mass of second element. Please respond. So tell me here, what is the nitrogen atomic mass? All of you. 14 plus number of atoms of second element. How many number of atoms of second element?
Three.
Three.
3.
Okay, please try to involve in the class, Mr. Arun, Gokul, everybody. 3. And what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1.
1.
1 into 14, 14 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So which is equals to how much, guys? 17. Or we say 17 AMU. 17 units or 17 atomic mass units. 17 atomic mass units. Now, in place of U, if I'll write G, in place of U, if I'll write G, G means what, guys? 70
Gram.
G grams. Understanding? That is only called as, what is that called as? All of you, gram
Molecular mass.
gram molecular mass, or I will say it is only known as, what is the mass?
Molar mass.
Molar mass. That is what. Hope everybody clear? Any doubt? Akilan, Gokul?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you take what is a molar mass? Molar mass of ammonia, fastly. Molar mass of ammonia, which is equals to what? Molar mass of ammonia. Molar mass of ammonia, which is equals to how much, Amma? Fastly. 17 grams. How much it is? Yes. How much? 17 grams. Now, what is the molar mass definition? Read here. What is the molar mass definition? Fastly. Everyone should read. What is the molar mass definition? Yes, Hari? What is happening?
mass.
What is molar mass definition? Everyone, read it. Read.
The mass of
The mass of 1 mole of
One
any
mole of
substance.
any substance is called molar mass. Okay. Now, we have got ammonia molar mass is 17 grams. Means it which is equals to how many moles? I want the answer. How many moles? Which is equals to how many moles? Everyone. 1 mole. Understanding? Now you tell me 1 mole of any substance having how many particles? Which is equals to some number. That number I want. Everybody. 6.022 into 10 power 23.
10 power 23.
10 power 23. Whose molecules now? Ammonium molecules. Purima Purilama, please respond. Ammonium molecules. So now let us take molar mass of hydrogen if you want. So let me take all of you. So please tell me what is the molar mass of hydrogen atoms? Molar mass of hydrogen atoms. I want it answer from you all. Hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atoms means H or H2. Yes, please. Hydrogen atoms. H. So if you take, as we all knows that molecular mass. What is the molecular mass of hydrogen? Only one H is there. So number of atoms is 1 and into 1, which is equals to how much, Amma? 1 U. That is the molecular mass. Now, U I will replace with the G, then which is equals to what is that? How many grams? Fastly you should tell.
1 gram.
1 gram, which is equals to molar mass. Okay. Now, if I take hydrogen atoms 1 gram, which is equals to how many moles? Fastly should tell. Which is equals to how many? 1 mole. 1 mole is equals to how many particles again? 6.23 hydrogen atoms. Are you clear? All of you, please respond. Abhinami.
Yes, sir.
Next, for example, if I take molecular mass of hydrogen molecules, please respond. Molecular mass of hydrogen molecules. Be very careful. I am saying now hydrogen molecules. What do you mean by hydrogen molecules? H or H2. You have to be very active in the class. That is what I will expect.
H2.
One time if I will
H2.
be, I am not going like a such a way, Karat. I am teaching very clearly from the basic. You have to be very careful. Now, what is it? Tell me, what is the molecular mass? Yes, molecular mass is equals to number of atoms of first element is 2 into atomic mass of first element is 1. So, which is equals to 2U. So, now U I will replace with a G. Then what is that called, Mr. Kaushik? It will become 2G, 2 grams. Means instead of U, if I write G, which is called something, what is that called, guys?
Molar mass.
Molecular mass.
Molar mass, or we will say, what is to call? Gram.
Gram molecular.
Okay. Grams. Now 2 grams of hydrogen molecules, which is equals to how many moles?
1
1
mole.
mole.
1 mole of particle equals how many numbers? 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen molecules. Have you noticed it now, everybody? Clear? I want response. Any doubt? So, if you notice it very carefully here, 17 grams of ammonia, 17 grams of ammonia, which is equals to 1 mole. Divya, you are always late, Divya. Please be in time. And again, you will leave also very fastly. If you are interested, please come in time regularly. That is what my suggestion it is. Now, if you notice it very carefully here, if you take 17 grams of ammonia, which is having how many moles, guys? Which is equals to how many moles? 1 mole. 1 mole is equals to how many particles? Avogadro number of particles. So same way, if I take 1 gram of hydrogen, which is also equals to 1 mole, which is also equals to how many particles? Everybody? Avogadro number of particles. Now, if we take 2 grams of hydrogen molecules, H2, which is also equals to 1 mole, which is also equals to Avogadro number of particles. Is it right or wrong? Please respond. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is. So, now from these observations, I will teach you 2 statements. Is it right or wrong? You have to observe. So, what we are going to study is for both moles of an atoms. Do you understand? Mole of atoms and as well as mole of molecules. Or instead of molecules, I can say what? Substances also. Do you understand? Whatever it is saying. Now, if you observe very carefully, we have been found that first beginning itself, 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of any substance, if it is maybe atom or maybe molecule or maybe particle. Hope everybody understanding. It may be an atom or maybe a molecule or maybe a particles. So 1 mole of any substance if you take, it contains how many particles? All of you tell me. How many particles? Kaushik? Avogadro number of particles. Is it right or wrong? Please respond. Yes. So 1 mole of any substance means Avogadro number of particle. Means the sense of, if I'll take, just now we studied, 1 mole of any substance is equals to something. Anybody can tell what is that? Equals to what? Equals to molar mass. Is it right or wrong? Yes, please. So which is equal to molar mass. So I can say that statement. So 1 mole of any substance is equals to, what is another name of molar mass? 1 mole of any substance is equals to, I will say, the gram molecular mass of the substance. Is it right or wrong, Abhirami, Akilan? Gram molecular mass of the substance. So that is what you have to remember. Now, in mathematics, A is equals to B and B is equals to C. Then something is equals to something. What is that, Harry? A is equal to C. A mole of any substance is Avogadro number. Same way, a mole of any substance equals to gram molecular mass of the substance. Means A gram molecular mass of the substance, which is equals to, what is that, guys? Anybody?
1 mole of substance.
One Avogadro number. Understanding? Here not only molecular you can, if you want, you can write atomic also. Sir, again, what about atomic, sir? You cannot say. Both are same. Gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. Both are same only. Is it okay, guys? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is. So which is equals to what? If I'll say gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass, GAM, gram atomic mass, GMM. What is GMM? Everyone? GMM. Gram molecular mass. Harizera, you also be in time. Don't be delay. If you delay, it is difficult to understand. So gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass is equals to gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass of any substance is equals to Avogadro number. Is it right or wrong? I want the answer from you all. Avogadro's number. Is it true or not, all of you? Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
That is what
Yes, sir.
you have to understand. So, gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass of substance, which is equals to Avogadro number, which is equals to how many moles? Which is equals to how many moles?
1 mole.
1 mole. That is what you have to remember. Any doubt in this? Please let me know. Or if you are clear, then we'll go for calculation of number of moles. Any doubt, guys? Harish, for your purpose, I'm saying once again, just a small thing. You know how to calculate molecular mass and atomic mass. Is it yes, Harish? Harish, Haraj?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, molecular mass means we are writing, like, formula. What is the formula for molecular mass or atomic mass? Number of atoms of first element into atomic mass of first element plus number of atoms of second element into atomic mass of second element. Like that we are calculating the molecular mass. Yes or no? Yes? Harish, Raj? Now, atomic mass or molecular mass, we will represent in the unit U or AMU. Now, instead of U or AMU, if we will keep G means grams, then that is called as gram molecular mass, or we will say molar mass. That's all it is. Nothing is there. Is it okay, Harish? Now, if we take this gram molecular mass of any substance, which is equals to 1 mole of that substance, 1 mole of that substance is equals to Avogadro number. What is this Avogadro number? Avogadro's number, that we are having some value, that is only 6.022 into 10 power 23. So that is what we are studying in the yesterday's last and today's class. Is it okay? Till here, any doubt, anybody can ask. Okay, guys. So please note it down. Any doubt? Harish, Mitakshri, very important concept, Mitakshri, for higher classes and all. You have to make it. Okay? It is your class 9th concept only, but you have to. Any doubt? Divya, at least respond, Divya, in chat. Abhirami completed?
Yes, sir.
Now, once it is finished, you tell me. Now, shall we move? Aglan, completed? Now, tell me,
Sir.
what is the molar mass of carbon dioxide? Fastly, everybody. What is the molar mass of carbon dioxide? Everybody. What is the molar mass of carbon dioxide? So, how to find it? You have to find first atomic mass or molecular mass. Tell me, what is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide? Fastly, molecular formula should tell. molecular mass of CO2 is equals to number of atoms of first number of atoms of first element. Number of atoms of first element 1 into atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus number of atoms of second element. How many number of atoms of second element? Saying only will get it into the atomic mass of second element,
Like 16.
16.
which is equals to 1 into 12, 12 plus 16 into 2, 32, which is equals to how much, guys? 44. So this is molecular mass, but we need molar mass. Means molar mass means we have to replace U with what?
G.
G grams. So which is equals to 44 grams. So this 44 grams is equals to how many moles? That is only called as molar mass. Or we will say gram molecular mass, a gram atomic mass. So which is equals to how many moles, guys? Everyone, which is equals to how many moles?
1 more.
1 mole. Now this 1 mole of carbon dioxide if we'll take, suppose I have given Mr. Kaushik 44 grams of carbon dioxide. I have given 44 grams of carbon dioxide to Mr. Kaushik. So if we will start counting the number of molecules of CO2, how many molecules you will get? 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules of CO2 will present. Is it okay, Harizeras? That is only called as what is to call Avogadro number. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Avogadro's number. For example, I have given you oxygen molecules. Observe very carefully. Oxygen molecules. Tell me what is the molar mass of oxygen molecules? Fastly. Molar mass of oxygen molecules. Molar mass of oxygen molecule. Yes, please. Molar mass is equals to 2 is there. 2 into 16, which is equals to how much? 32 U. So U I will replace with the G. So how many grams, Metakshri? Akilan, 32 grams. So I will give you 32 grams of oxygen molecules to Mr. Akilan. Now Akilan, tell me, which is equals to how many moles of oxygen? You're having how many moles of oxygen? If I'll give 32 grams of oxygen to you, which is equals to how many moles? I will say 1 mole. Understanding? Means how many particles? If you will count, how many particles will come, Akilan?
6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
2 into 10 power 23 oxygen molecules, O2 molecules. Are you clear, everybody? Any doubt? Divya, please respond. Understanding? Now, let me take now, for example, I have given you sodium chloride. Sodium chloride I have given. Sodium chloride means what? NaCl. Is it yes or no, everyone? Sodium chloride. So now tell me what is the molar mass. I have to find it. First find molecular mass. So what is the molecular mass? But actually it is ionic compound. So ionic compound means we should not say molecular mass. Some other name we will say. Any other?
Formula unit mass.
Very good. Formula unit mass. Formula unit mass of this one. So molecular mass of this one is equals to number of atoms of first element. How many? Speak, it will come 1 into what is the atomic mass of first element? Everybody?
23.
Plus number of atoms of second element 1 into atomic mass of second element 35.5, which is equals to 23. 1 into 23, 23 plus 1 into 35.5, 35.5. So which is equals to how much?
58.5.
Everybody? Yes? Kaushik?
58.
Never respond, never shows improvement, Kaushik. I'm saying, Mr. Aswin Balaji, you also same thing. How much, Amma?
58.5.
8.5 U. But we want molar mass. Molar mass means how much, everybody? Molar mass.
58.5 grams.
0.5 grams. Now, I will give you 58.5 grams of sodium chloride to methoxy. Now, methoxy, tell me how much you are having, how many moles you have? How many moles you have?
1 mole, sir.
I have 1 mole. Means how many particles he has? Anyone? How many particles he has of sodium chloride?
6.02 into 10 power 23, sir.
Into 10 power 23 sodium chloride molecules. Is it understanding? So I don't think so. Nobody is having doubt in this concept. I hope everybody clear what it is. So everything is very careful. Molar mass is equals to 1 mole of substance. 1 mole of substance is equals to Avogadro number of any substances. Is it